we are learning to add details to our speech ideas. So here I have my plan for my speech, which is based on persuading people that there should be more sports at school. Okay, so here's the introduction to my speech. It just says, "Hi, my name is Megan and I am an 8-year-old child who attends ASU school. I firmly believe that there should be more sports at school and this is why." So I don't need to add any more detail to that because my introduction is supposed to be short and snappy and get the audience interested. Now let's have a look at my next paragraph, which is about this. Exercise is good for us, and these two ideas here. Okay, so far I've written there should be more sports because exercise is good for us and keeps us fit and healthy. Now that's not really enough. I'm going to need to say more about that. So a way that I can add more details is to add examples. Examples clarify meaning. That means it helps people to understand what you're going to say. So I could use a sentence starter like, for example, for instance, one kind is, one type is, like, such as. So let's have a look at that with our writing. Okay, let's see what I've added to this. So you can see that all of this is what I've added, and that's adding detail by giving examples. So I've said, for example, I exercise all the time by playing netball in the weekends, running around at break times and playing games outside at home. This keeps me fit and I am healthy. I hardly ever get sick and I think it's because I do lots of sports. Okay, now I'm going to look in this idea here in my plan and I need to include that in my writing, that exercise is good for us because it makes us skinny. So I've written, exercise is good for us because it keeps us skinny. Do you think that's going to be enough? No way. We definitely need to add detail to that. So remember that when we add examples, we help to clarify what we mean, so the reader understands what we mean. Now we've used this sentence starter for example, so we want to use a different one, like for instance, one kind is, one type is, like, such as. Okay, let's look at all the stuff we've added. All of this is added. It's added more detail by having examples. So I wrote, exercise is good for us because it keeps us skinny. For instance, I do lots of sports and exercise and I am skinny. I know that being overweight is not good for my heart and I want my heart to be happy. So today what you need to do is to see how you can add more detail to your writing by adding in examples to make it more interesting for the audience when they listen to it. Good luck.